Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today we're going to learn how to check battery health on Windows 11 so you can see how well your laptop battery is performing. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the search icon on your taskbar and type CMD. This is the command prompt, a tool in Windows that lets you run advanced commands. Using it is important because it allows you to generate a detailed battery report. Step 2. Right-click on Command Prompt from the search results and select Run as Administrator. Running as Administrator ensures you have the necessary permissions to access system-level information. Step 3. Type the battery report command provided in the description box and press Enter. This command tells your system to generate a full report about your battery's performance and capacity. Step 4. Wait for the process to complete. The command prompt will show a file path where the battery report is saved. Copy this path carefully because it leads directly to your report file. Step 5. Open File Explorer and paste the path you copied into the address bar to navigate to the file. This will take you straight to the location where batteryreport.html is stored. Step 6. Open the battery report and scroll down to the Installed Batteries section. Here you'll find detailed information about your battery model, cycles, and capacity. Step 7. Check the design capacity and full charge capacity values. The design capacity shows the original maximum charge, while full charge capacity shows the current maximum charge your battery can hold. Step 8. Compare the two values. If full charge capacity is significantly lower than design capacity, your battery health is reduced. If the difference is over 50%, it's a strong sign you should consider replacing your battery. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows 11 tips.